What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I'm back up here at the lake, currently at the boat dock. It is a rainy day. It's gonna be raining a lot. We got a 100% chance of rain. Been raining pretty much all night, and we're gonna get out here and see if we can catch some fish. I'm gonna look for some bass, possibly do some pan fishing. I really don't have a plan on how I'm gonna do today. It's just I'm getting out and doing some fishing. I got up and I was like, I want to go fishing, and here I am. Maybe we'll catch some pan fish. Hopefully we get on some bass. And I got up here and I got a little bit of a headache. You hate when you get somewhere, it's like you're fine, then you get there, you're doing something, and you're like, damn, I'm getting a little bit of a headache. That ain't no fun. But maybe that'll go away. I'll drink some water. I appreciate y'all for watching. Let's get into it. Let's go catch some fish. All right. Bring it in the boat. Bring it in the boat. Bring it in the boat. Makes it so much easier to launch with this rope. Especially when it starts to get foul weather. Thing time to catch up. Let's crank this motor up. I have a ton of gas. It's just like a little bit too warm for this jacket. I mean, it's just borderlining on the warmness of this jacket. It's like, if it ain't raining, I'm taking it off. Well, guys, the surface temperature of the water is about 73 degrees. Y'all can see that. 73, and yeah, that's what we're working with. It's cool, but not cool enough. It's like, I know this jacket will feel good running across the lake, but just sitting here wearing this rain jacket is a little stifling. A little stifling, to be honest. Structure down there. There's so much structure in this lake, it's like you can't look for structure. That's all this lake is structure. That's why there's monsters hiding in here. That's a big old fish. Right there. Yeah, that. It's like a boomerang down there. What is it? Alright, let's go. Let's go. Jacket off until it starts raining again. I'm gonna start off this video. Yesterday I went to Chickamauga, or Hiwassee, or whatever you want to call it, and I struck out pretty good. I mean, I caught a few fish. I'll switch over right now and let y'all see those guys while I tie this on, or while I take this off. And I don't know, I could throw that today. Don't think I catch a fish on the spinner bait out here. Caught a fish yesterday with it. What if I could? The spot would hit that thing. It's kind of bright. I could try to catch a fish with it. Let's try to catch a fish with it. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna switch over and show y'all yesterday. Wasn't the best day, but I'm gonna let y'all see it. Seen him. Goofy looking largemouth bass. God, Lord. It's weird. I seen him, like, I looked over to the right. I seen him waking. That was crazy. Come up, hit this. I was thinking about the spinner bait a minute ago. I just tied it on. I come around this corner. I've never been back in here. It's pretty good, but as soon as I got around this corner, I was like, damn, there's bait fish back here. And I seen that bass. He was just schooling around on this corner. Threw out that spinner bait and he hit it. Nice little bass. He's not very big. Let's let him go. God, he splashed the shit out of me. But yeah, guys, that was yesterday. It wasn't the best day. We caught a few fish, but nothing spectacular or nothing. I just sat here and thought about this thermocline. This water's 73 degrees back here on top. And that thermocline's moved up. You know what that means. Some of these muskies have probably moved up as well. These muskies move back up in the shallows. They come out of that thermocline, they'll start moving back up, eating for winter. So there's a possibility of catching a muskie. That would be awesome. Now it's raining again, so now I'm going to switch back over and put my jacket back on because I do not want to get wet and be cold. Alright guys, hold up. I wonder, I don't know much about muskies, but I just wonder if they'll come up more shallow through the cooler months in this lake, because that was like January, February, and they were up in here. I haven't seen no sign of them since. I just hope they do well in here. I hope there's a good population, takes off, and they do well. Look at that, right off the top. That tells me something. That tells me something. He come right up off the top and grab that while it's sitting still. He's not a big bass, but that does tell me something. Maybe he was just there. Maybe 100 different maybes. I mean, there could be 100 different maybes to why that fish come up. Because it's raining, maybe. Maybe he just seen it and was like, hey, look at that, I'm gonna eat that. I don't know, I caught him. He's a pickle though. He's a 100% pickle. Let's throw him out. See you, buddy. That's a pickle fish. Come up. Hump that right off the top of the water. How the hell does that keep happening? Set my rod down, I think it's all. I think I got a troll in here, guys. It's a troll. The magical troll. It keeps messing with me. There's one. Stopped it for a second. Come on, smirked it. Look how big that boy. It's a big old bass. Look at that thing. I think it's a good. What do y'all think? About 13 ounces? Man, that ain't even 13 ounces. That's probably like, I don't even know what that is. That's like a chicken nugget. 2 chicken nuggets and a baby. Hey man, that's an expensive bag, buddy. Stabbing into it. I can feel you tensing up. Look at that bass. Boy, that is a keep. I'm gonna put that thing on the wall. I'm gonna mount me a bass about that big. Be like, I Bass&Grass 2020. This was the year 2020 right here. Bass&Grass. Alright, buddy. We'll see you later. I gotta get my thing out. I need to put this in the back. Let's get the hole in the part that matters. This part doesn't matter. Alright, guys, I gotta get this out. You're fishing these square bills. If y'all don't already know, y'all probably already know this, but you got to stop him, buddy. When I first started fishing them, especially if you bounce off something, stop for a second and reel. Sometimes you'll trigger a bite. Hey, you listen here, Mr. Bird. He's making fun of me. Look at him. Y'all need to chill. And they're like, look at this dude. I'm trying to catch bass. Well, guys, we've caught some absolute pickles so far. I mean, nothing even remotely big or anything. But hey, we catch a fish. Hopefully y'all be able to hear me. I know the screen's gonna get wet. Ain't nothing good. I keep it angled down like this. It might not be so bad. But right now it's raining pretty good. Pretty though. Nice when it rains. Make sure you're dry. I'm telling y'all, man. I said it earlier, and I don't know if I got it in the video, but these Frog Talk bibs, these I can't remember what they're called. They're like Pro something, Pro Angler 2s or whatever on Amazon on sale right now for 80 bucks. Dude, they're worth every penny. They're nice. I like them a lot. You know, I've been wanting bibs, but they're expensive. Even these are normally like $170. You get like any like Avco or Under Armour, all of them was expensive. They're like $200 something. These have kept me dry. I've been dry, as dry as I can be. It's not any good right now, guys. There was a fish. He come up after it. Missed him. That was cool. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to run to another spot. It's raining now. I mean, it's pouring. My lens has probably got water on it, maybe it don't. It's pretty up here. It's nice, but it's definitely raining. It is raining good. Well guys, it is raining. Well guys, it's rainy. It is raining, raining, raining. May end the video out with some pan fishing. Do a little pan fishing. I think that's what I may do. Oh, my head went away for a little while, now it's come back. Well, I'm wet, guys. Well, I'm not really wet. I mean, I'm dry. My body is. My head's wet now. My legs and my body real dry. %. Here's a fish. What do we got? Oh, it feels good. It's a good fish. Looked like he had another fish with him there for a second. Another gill. It's weird. He's a big old bluegill. Nice. Oh. Real nice red breast. Air temperature is cool. This fish is really warm. Beautiful. I think it's a red breast. Yeah, it's a red breast. Beautiful fish. Let's let him go. I don't know how good my audio is right now, guys. It's probably straight poop. It's probably straight poopity poop. I'm about to squeeze water out of my fuzzies. Even my boat's filling up with water. There's one. Right out there. What do we got here? Little bass, man. Look at that bass. Tiny. Oh, shoot. Little bitty bass. Look at that guy. Look at that little bass. There's another one. That's a good one. That's a good one. See, guys? That's a good one. That's a good fish. Oh. That's a good little bass. That's better than all the bass we caught earlier. Switch over to the ultralight. It's over the ultralight, start catching better bass. Look at that little guy. Mean and ornery, ready to go. Boy, it's raining, guys. Raining like crazy. That water in my boat. I'll turn the bilge pump on. There's one. There's one. Kind of thought about these little my buddy bought these little backspin things. And I thought, you know what? These bait fish are about this size of this thing. And sure enough, it's catching them. I thought of it yesterday. I used it yesterday and caught that one little bass from Chick. And then today I was like, I'm gonna put that booger on. He was already on there though. They're engulfing that thing. Engulfing it. Little bitty red breast. Little bitty guy. Let's let him go. Whew, man, I am over it. Well, guys, we caught a few on the square bill. Went to the ultralight. Pouring down rain. Caught quite a few fish there. Man, I am ready to go home and eat some tacos. I got a banging headache and it is pouring down rain. And that's it, guys. We'll be back here real soon, make another video. I appreciate y'all for watching these videos. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, I'll see y'all guys later. Y'all guys go fishing. Even if it's raining, you might catch something. See you guys.